everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And this is also my favorite time of the month because of this box. And it is my cloth and paper. It is, it says there is luxury in simplicity. This is also another one of my monthly planner subscription boxes that I love. And honestly, this box is heavy and it's usually paper stuff, so I'm not quite sure. There's something big in here, you guys. I can hear it, so I'm curious. And I feel like as soon as I open it, it's gonna like tell me what the mystery is, and I don't want to know the mystery yet, so I'll tell you this. This box is a monthly box and it is $55 a month and no shipping. We're gonna have to go in. Okay. I'm thinking I saw something like this online. Maybe she did spoilers and I saw them accidentally because this one item I think I've seen. But let's start here with our pens that we get every month. I just love getting nice pens because I use pens all the time and I lose pens all the time. So the first pen we have here is a zebra. Now for those people that pay attention to this stuff, it is a 0.7 millimeter pen. It's a really nice pen. Silver pen, difficult for you to see, unfortunately, I'm sorry. The next, oh, I hope this really is what I think it is because I saw one online. Okay, so it is a zebra it is a zebra mild liner stamp. It is a dual tip double point. Looks like it's a marker. One side is fine. The other one is dot point. It is orange. Let me show you this side first. Okay, this other side, I really hope it's what I think it is. Please let it be what I think it is. It is! Yes! Okay. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it here. It has got an arrow on it, you guys. So it is a marker that when you use it, you press straight down. It's an arrow. It's an arrow. I saw this and I'm like, I so gotta get one of those. So I am super excited that I have got one, you guys. I'm super excited about that. Okay. Oh, you guys. All right. There is a big item in here. I'm putting it back in. I think there might even be two big items in here, but I put it back in because I want to go through the actual planner stuff first. Guys, this is a good box. I can tell already this is a good box. Again, as a reminder, I have a mini planner, so the items are going to look smaller, the pages. So I just wanted to share that. So we always get one of these cards that are always super pretty. On the back says what is in the box. So I'm putting that aside. The next item comes in this little pretty package. Oh, okay. These are page pens. They're transparent. We have a set of 4 and there's 20 each, but pull it off. Make sure, did I get more than one there? I did, because I was gonna say, I feel like I got more than one here. I got 2, so I'm gonna try to put one down there, but they are sticky. And they are transparent, as you can see there. Love these. I have not seen these before that have been so tiny. And I needed some of these today. I like those a lot. Next, we have it's a page marker, and it does say that it is for the mini. It's nicely wrapped. Oh, there are 2 in here. No, there are 3 in here, you guys. So we get these page finders. So they're small size. They say cloth and paper on the bottom. So we have 2 that are cloth and paper. Then we have, ooh, this is different. It's got printing on it. So you can see it's got printing on it. For me, I feel like it's the most useful item, but people love them. And it's the single monthly card. And this is for July. Again, not sure how people use those. Maybe I need to Google it. Maybe I need to YouTube it. But it is what it is. Okay, there's still more, you guys. Okay, this is here. I'm not 100% sure what it is yet. So we do have the binder clip that is silver. Very nice. I'm not sure if this is meant for decoration or if it is what it actually looks like. Okay, this I'm definitely going to have to see what this is meant for. So it starts this way. And it says, nostalgia whispers through every line, memories bound in layers. But it's an accordion, okay? And it is perforated so you could tear them and rip them. Okay, so the next one is the scent of paper, the weight of a notebook feels like coming home. And then we have this big statement here that says, pages once blank now fill with plans, dreams, and the quiet rhythm of ink. So maybe we write on these so they have more sayings. So this is definitely an item I'm going to have to see how they meant for us to use them. Next, we have gallery sticker set. Bunches of different arrows. And I'm thinking, so it says shapes to scale, 114 arrows, 72 icons, and 24 rectangles. So it's a set of 4, includes 2 sheets of arrows. So we have these arrows at this size. And then we have arrows that are this size. So 2 different size arrows. Then we have, oh, I'm loving this. So these are little stickers, heart, suitcase, looks like a bowl of rice, telephone, a pen, a clock, a check mark, books, all different other types of little stickers. And then these are the rectangles, transparent rectangles, so that you can write on those. Love that. Their style is simplicity, but I feel like it's a simplicity with a twist to it. So very nice. You guys, we still got more. This next item, it is a mini dashboard. And I am loving it, you guys. So it's a mini dashboard, but it's a pouch. So it unzips. And you can leave this in there because it's decorative. And this Riviera, a state of daydreaming and nostalgic reflection, is on several of the items. So it's the theme. You can leave that in there just like that. I would make that look a little more aligned because that is the style, or you can take it out. I personally am going to leave it in there because it's the style, but then you have got more room to put other things. I love these little zip pouches, you guys. I really do. All of the cool, like the little cards we get, but also the cool paper clips, perfect use for those, along with other things as well. Now, our paper pack this month is everyday journaling. So it is journaling pages. We have got quite a few of these, you guys. quite a few. I am going to say, gosh, 15 to 20 of them at least. They are front and back, and they say focus. Be nice. Now the big items. You guys, this is heavy. These items are heavy. Excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. Jackpot. This month is jackpot. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. Look at all this. Where do I start? Okay, this first. Okay. Last month, we got the travel and we got the clear binder with inserts. This is also to go in the binder that we got last month, the clear binder. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for giving us additional items to go in that little plastic binder, because let me tell you, I stinking love that binder. And let's look at these. Okay, so we got several of these cards. On the front, we have January through December. We have Monday through Sunday. So these are monthly cards. You can use them for a month. On the back, it's just lined. And look at all of them that we have, you guys. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job of showing all of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 cards that have the month on this front, but the month is always also here too. So then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I would hope it would add up. But so we have 14 monthly. Oh no, what did I do? My little thing came out.
We have the common
place notebook set. Offers 3 thoughtfully designed notebooks. So that I think was 1. To support this practice, a daily undated planner for organizing tasks, a monthly overview for big picture planning, and a graph notebook for customization. By fostering intentional reflection and documentation, it encourages alignment with your goals and refines your think-making, a personal asset for personal growth and productivity. That was kind of like a mouthful. So I love that they give us that. So I'm going to pull the first one out. So this olive is a cover that can come off. What I've learned before, don't remove their covers because they won't go back on right, or at least Terry cannot get them back on right. So the notebook, you guys, look at all of those pages. So it does have this notebook belongs to, and then looks like they're all the same, and it is date and then lined. Those are little numbers. They're very tiny. It's a very nice notebook, and you can see like the page, like the binder, the outside is kind of came up a little, so I need to get it put back down, and I'm not good at that. All right, let me set this aside. Then I love this, that I can wrap my binders together. Look at the outside of this, you guys. So it is a spiral bound, and it is graph paper, not graph paper, the boxes, check boxes, boxes. What did they call? What did they say? I can't remember. You'll know when I see. Okay, but the top is topic, and then the date. So all the pages are the same. You guys, there is a ton of pages. You guys, this is amazing. For only $55, I'm impressed. This was an amazing box, you guys. I'm saying right now, value's a 10. I'm giving it. So my experience is going to be a 10. The quality is a 10. The value, can I give it a bonus? Can I give it an 11? It's a 10. New, different, unique, I'm giving it a 9. Retention and usability. Again, this is difficult because monthly we get a lot of these items. Now let's I'm going to thoughtfully do this. Let's look at the items. Those papers, the little packet that I said I could use in the other book that we got last year, or last month, sorry. I use that constantly. It's unique, it's different. I don't have anywhere else that I buy those items to go in there. So the smaller here, reusability, 100%. Or yeah, usability. These stickers are different and unique. I've not gotten arrows before. I've never gotten an arrow pen before. Don't know what this is yet, but I've never gotten it before. I've not gotten these little stickers before either. So they're giving me stuff that is different than I've gotten before. I've gotten one of these before, and to be honest with you, I don't even know where it's at. The first one I got was ripped. Then they sent me a second one. I don't even know where it's at. But this is not something that we get every I love that rubber band thing. Month. Now the insert pages are... I'm going with a 9. I absolutely love this box. So we are at a 48, you guys. And I am thinking 48 might be the highest I have given. And it is. 40 is the highest I've given you guys. Knocked it out of the park, you guys. Cloth and paper. Bravo. 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 The last 2 months, I've loved them. Let's see what happens next month in June. So, good night for today. Bye, guys.